put the safe sound in here. Are you kidding me?
That's how you start a morning right there.
Morning, guys. Morning of day 10.
Morning, guys. How are you?
What are you so chipper for this morning?
I don't know.
No, it's because we're going coyote hunting. That's why. And as you guys well know, if you've been watching the series from start to finish, we got that many plus that many yesterday. Sorry, I'm holding the camera.
That was rough for him to do that math.
Well, I was looking in the camera. Shut up. So yeah, we're gonna go back down kind of the same general area today, different landowners' property. This is honestly, guys, the first time I've ever hunted private property for coyotes. Reason being, there's nothing but private out here. We're visiting our friend Luke out in eastern Colorado, and it's all private land. So a little bit different story for us. Got to make sure you get the landowner's proper permission to hunt their property. Really hard to sometimes follow the maps, but those OnX maps have been helping a ton. But yeah, I hope we're gonna get 10 today. I want 10, either that or a triple on camera. One or the other, I'll take it. Got it. Well, guys, I'm not really sure how I missed this one. I thought I had it. I know he was way far off to the left on Luke's side. Like I said the other day, sometimes it's really hard on the offside to get those things. Dude, I could not find him. I know I got him in frame, but I was zoomed out. I could not find him.
He was just kind of that walking, so you couldn't really see him above the grass.
Yeah, and there's no reference points out there at all.
Nice shot, dude. Yeah, he wasn't coming, was he?
Kind of skittish.
Nice spot, dude.
It was kind of weird how he changed his angle. Did you guys see that? He was coming across.
Yeah.
And he hit the bottom and came this way.
Yeah.
Yeah, that was weird. Nice work. Day 10.
Day 10, stand one, dog one.
On our way to 10. Nice work. Good shot.
Man, talk about threading the needle through this tall grass.
That's what I figured.
I mean, I could even, right where he was at, like, I could have let him keep coming, but I hate when they come a little bit and come a little bit, you know?
Nah.
Hopefully I can thread the needle here. We'll see what happens. Pretty Kyle, young one, but real pretty.
Yeah, that one's got a lot darker back on it. That one had the weird little black shins too. No, not really.
Carry that.
Oh, I got it.
Well, that got exciting in a hurry.
Yeah, it did. One sequence had a double coming good off the hill. I'm not sure why they didn't want to commit. They were coming good. Luke shot the first one over on his side. We got the second one stopped on the hill out there, probably 300, 350. We both simultaneously shot. It looked like, I didn't hear it pop, but kind of his reaction looked like we hit it. Have to look back on the video and see if we did, but got one for sure and possibly two. So
I went back and got the truck while Luke and Garrett went and looked to see if we shot that other coyote. No blood, no nothing, so we missed him. No blood, no nothing.
I haven't seen his track.
I'm sure you can see it crossing the road up there.
But across the road, yeah.
Well, guys, we should be due for a coyote on the next one. We went 3 for 3 this morning, and now we're 0 for 3. So, according to our stats from yesterday, that means we should be due for a coyote on the next stand. Been a while since we called in a badger.
yeah, that's a big one.
Little furry suckers.
Tire bite. Look how flat they are, dude.
I know, it's insane. No wonder I couldn't see him in the video. He's in the tire track. Nice work. He was not stopping, was he?
No.
Do you have the shotgun or do you rifle him?
I rifled him.
That's what I thought. Did all you see was fur?
He was pretty close.
Nice. Yeah, he was not stopping.
Yeah. Yeah, I hate shooting him on the run like that, but
Oh, he went straight down, dude. He didn't even move. He hit the dirt so hard. That's why I thought you shotgunned him. I didn't know if you brought it or not, but well, I'll go get the truck wrapped up. And man, guys, today's been a rough day. Started out strong with 3 coyotes and 3 stands, called in 2 singles and a double. And got one of the double, and then nothing for 3 stands. And then we called in a badger, and then nothing for, I think, 5 or 6 stands. So after yesterday and after a strong start this morning, it's been rough, but we just finished this stand. Garrett had a hard charger. We've been setting up kind of weird because the wind's been not cooperating, and got him shot with the rifle. I don't know, probably 20, maybe 30 yards. It wasn't very far. But yeah, that coyote was not stopping. He was coming in hard. So I'm gonna hurry and run back to the truck, get all the stuff packed up, load it up and everything. We'll try and squeak out 2 more stands tonight. We don't have much daylight left, as you can see.
all right, guys, that's a wrap on day 10. I won't lie, this looks like a pretty good day, but this was an absolute grind today. We got 3 coyotes and a bonus badger on our first 3 stands of the day, and then wind kind of picked up. We got into some rough country, and it was just dead, and then we finally got this big old purdy one. Last thing, second to last stand of the night, actually. So absolute grind, but we're still plenty ahead of the pace where we need to be. Still got at least 2-3 more days here in Colorado, where we're at, and then who knows where we're going to end up from there. But I want to thank everybody again for watching. Thanks for your support, and we're going to see you guys tomorrow morning on day 11, and hopefully we have a day 11 like we had a day 9.
Where we get 11?
Where we get 11, and then we'll be rolling.
Yeah.